Hey guys, in this video I am going to talk about how to install Eclipse Ide for Java developer with OpenJDK 11 on Mac operating system. So the prerequisite for Eclipse Ide for Java developer is Java JDK. So we can have either OpenJDK or Oracle JDK or any other flavors of Java JDK in order to run Eclipse Ide for Java developer. So if you don't know how to install Oracle JDK or OpenJDK, check out the link in this video description. So I made a video on how to install Oracle JDK and OpenJDK on Mac operating system. So once you're done with Java JDK, then proceed with Eclipse Ide for Java developer. Okay, now let's begin with the Eclipse Ide for Java developer, and assuming that you also have Java JDK installed in your Mac operating system. So in order to download Eclipse Ide for Java developer, we have to go to eclipse.org. That's the website where we can download Eclipse Ide. So that website is eclipse.org. Yeah, so this is the website where we can download Eclipse Ide. The look and feel of this website may be varying when you come to this, but you can try to locate where the download button is. So for now, the download button is on right hand side on topmost corner. So I am going to click that download button. Yeah, so it took me to this page where it's showing that Eclipse Ide 2018-12. So it seems like this is the latest version of Eclipse Ide at the time of making this tutorial. So it's displaying this download 64-bit and then download package. So I'm going to click this download package link. So it took me to this page where it's displaying the Eclipse Ide for Eclipse committers and the C++ developers and the Java and ELS developer. So we are concerned on Eclipse Ide for Java developer. So that's this is the ID, Eclipse Ide for enterprise Java developer. So it's come up with different tools like Java developer tools, creating this enterprise Java web applications, and then that includes Java IDE and also tools for Java JPA, JSF, Mylin, Maven, Git, and few more tools. So these tools are already inbuilt with this version of Eclipse. If you see on this side, so it's displaying the Eclipse Ide download link button for a different operating system. So that includes Windows and then Linux and then Mac operating system. So we are concerned on Mac operating system. So I'm going to click this link. So it took me to this page. So it's displaying download from this link. So I'm going to click this link to get the download to be started. Okay, so I have already downloaded this Eclipse Ide. So if you don't have the Eclipse Ide, just click this link to begin with the download of Eclipse Ide for Java developer. So I have already downloaded and placed it under download directory. So I'm going to click this file to begin with the Eclipse Ide installation. Yes, so it's opened up a window where it's displaying applications folder and then eclipse.app. So I'm going to copy this eclipse.app under application folders to begin with the installation of Eclipse Ide. And also you can even drag and drop it under your favorite directory if you don't want to get eclipse.app to be installed under application. So if you install it under application, then it should be visible in the launchpad. So I will show you that. So for now I am going to install it under applications folder. Okay, so the install has been started. I think it got finished. So if you go to your Mac operating system installation drive under applications, so here you can see this eclipse.app, and also even if you go to this launchpad and then search for Eclipse, then you should be able to see. So if you install under application folder, then you should be able to see this that app under launchpad. So if you install under your own directory, then it could not show up in the launchpad. So I'm going to open this eclipse.app. Yeah, so it's asking for eclipse.app is an app downloaded from internet, or you should want to open it. Yes, I want to open this. Yeah, so the Eclipse Ide is spinning up now. It's asking for the workspace directory. So I'm going to set this as default one. So it's under user and then my username Secura and then followed by the workspace directory. So I'm going to click this launch button. Okay, so the Eclipse Ide has been opened. It's displaying the welcome page, so it's showing up different tutorials for Java Enterprise Edition web projects and a few more. So it's also showing the the link for Git. So I'm going to close this welcome page, and then it's displaying this project explorer and then the workspace and all. So I'm going to create one sample Java console application to show whether the installation has been successful, and then it picked up the OpenJDK 11 or not. So for that, just I'm going to right click from here and then new and then others. So from here I'm going to select Java project. I'm going to click next. So I'm going to name this project as Hello World, and then I'm going to use a project specific JRE, that's an OpenJDK 11.0.1. Going to click next from here. I'm going to set that the folder structure as default, since it's an Hello World application. But if you're trying to build a production ready applications, so you have to follow certain standards. It can be a Maven standard or any other project standard. So for now I'm going to click finish from here. So it's asking for module.info, so I don't want to create module.info for this Hello World application, so I'm going to skip that by clicking don't create. And then it's asking what kind of perspective I want to open. I want to open Java perspective, so I'm going to click open that perspective. So my Hello World project has been created from here, and then it picked up that OpenJDK 11.0.1. so that's I have installed it under library Java and then Java virtual machines. Okay, so I'm going to create a class called Hello World for now. And then making it as a public class with public static void main. Okay, so that class has been created, and then I'm going to use system.how.println just to print some text. Okay, so I'm going to run this program just to see if it's running successfully with OpenJDK 11 in Eclipse Ide. So for that I just right click from here and then run as and then Java application. It's asking for to save this program. Yes, I want to save this. So it has ran successfully and displayed the output in console. This means that we have successfully installed Eclipse Ide and then ran one Java standalone application with OpenJDK 11. Okay, so if you followed this tutorial and faced any issues on Eclipse Ide installation or OpenJDK or Oracle JDK, so please comment on the respective video, so I will help you out there. Thanks for watching my video.